Step into the enchanting forest, where a surprising laser-like sound captures your imagination. Behold the incredible talent of a bird that can imitate nearly every sound. From the click of a camera and the blaring car alarm to the tender cries of a baby, its repertoire knows no bounds. Beyond its mechanical mimicry, the male of this species seduces potential mates with an intricate natural song. Borrowing elements from at least 20 other bird species. Exclusive to the forests along Australia's southeast coast, the lyrebird reigns supreme. Its astounding abilities even extend to mimicking the distinct sounds of foresters and their chainsaws,